Cryptocurrency is still one of the most volatile forms of currency that currently exists, but it's also been experiencing tough times lately. So now that we're experiencing another crypto meltdown on the cards, should you sell or hold your positions? Let's find out. Firstly, how's crypto functioning? Before we get into the details of how crypto is struggling these days, let's talk about what crypto is and how it functions. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency that depends on a blockchain security system to survive. It's not regulated by a central authority like a bank and has been turning a lot of heads since the first crypto was introduced a couple of years ago. As you might already know, the most popular cryptocurrency in circulation right now is Bitcoin. It was the first crypto to come out and gain considerable fame, and it works through a process called mining. Bitcoin mining, like other crypto mining, is a process through which new coins are added into circulation. It's also the way new transactions are confirmed by the crypto's network. Mining works using sophisticated hardware that solves a series of extremely complex computational math problems. If a computer finds a solution to the problem, it's awarded the next block of bitcoins and the process is repeated. Even though so many people around the world love it, cryptocurrency mining is costly and not as rewarding as people think. But despite this, mining has a magnetic appeal for many investors who want to become crypto traders because miners are rewarded for their work with crypto tokens. So people consider it an entrepreneurial venture. The new gold rush. Most miners pursue mining as a profession because they like the prospect of being rewarded with crypto coins. But you don't have to be a miner to own cryptocurrency tokens. You can easily buy cryptocurrencies using fiat currency and then exchange it to make more money. Other ways to earn crypto include shopping or publishing blog posts on certain platforms that reward users in cryptocurrency. Cryptos like Bitcoin reward miners to motivate more people to join the mining arena. This is done to legitimize and monitor Bitcoin transactions and increase their validity. Mining and Bitcoin circulation. Mining helps miners earn some cash on the side and also helps the Bitcoin ecosystem function, but it also has some other important functions. It's the only way to release new cryptocurrency into circulation, so miners are basically increasing the amount of coins available for purchase in the market. In September 2021, there was around 18.82 million Bitcoins in circulation, but these are out of total of around 21 million coins. There are some cryptos that aren't mining as fast as they used to before. One of these is the popular Bitcoin. Since the rate of Bitcoin mined has been reducing over time, the final Bitcoin won't be circulated until at least in 100 years. But this isn't too alarming since it does not mean that transactions will not be verified. Miners will continue to verify transactions on the network and will be paid in fees according to the work they're doing. How much a miner earns. If you're thinking about joining the crypto world as a miner to make some extra cash, you're probably wondering how much a miner earns. You should know that the rewards for mining a Bitcoin are reduced by half every 4 years. An example is when it was first mined in 2009. Mining a single block would earn you 50 coins. In 2012, this number halved to 25 BTC, and in 2016, it went down to 12.5 BTC. On May 11th, 2020, the reward fell to 6.25 BTC. But if you're very particular about the amount of money you want to earn and you want to keep track of precisely when these halvings will occur, you can consult the Bitcoin clock, which updates this information in real time. But this only works for Bitcoin and won't be giving you any information about other altcoins. It's also important to note that the market price of Bitcoin has been affected greatly by the reduction of new coins entering into circulation. This lower inflation rate increased scarcity of coins and the price of the coin has increased as a result. It's simple demand and supply. This has also made crypto a volatile and risky option for some people. A recent example is the instability that cryptocurrency has been experiencing recently. The price hike. Both Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have seen their prices swing wildly after they were soaring through August. This came as an unwelcome surprise to people who were expecting cryptocurrency to continue soaring throughout September 2021. And when Bitcoin prices hit recent highs of $52,000 per Bitcoin recently, people were really happy. But their happiness was short-lived because it crashed immediately to around $42,000. Even Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, faced a ton of instability and came within touching distance of its all-time highs this week before it fell back. Financial giants all over the world, including UK-based bank Standard Chartered, have issued an official price prediction for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. To see the Bitcoin price rise about 3 times from its current levels and Ethereum potentially rising 10 times. In another price prediction report by The Block, analysts at a bank said they expect Bitcoin's price to increase threefold with a price range of between $50,000 and $175,000 per Bitcoin. They also had good hopes for Ethereum, and it's predicted to increase 10 times its current level, with a price target of approximately $26,000 to $35,000 per Ether. The report even expected Ethereum to eventually surpass Bitcoin in total value, but that might take some time. Standard Chartered also expected a crypto like Ethereum to benefit from its eventual upgrade when it turned into Ethereum 2.0. This upgrade started last year and was designed to help the network better scale and improve the crypto's efficiency. But even though the long-awaited upgrade sounds great, it isn't due to be completed until at least 2022, so you'll have to wait a bit for Ethereum 2.0. The struggle to raise prices. If you didn't already know, the cryptocurrency market has been down around 7.77% since the 21st of September 2021. This came as a shock to crypto owners and enthusiasts since they've experienced a whole year of gains and record highs. But now cryptocurrencies seem to be enduring a turbulent time with unpredicted price changes, and one really knows how to do the damage control here. This is an especially tough time for people who have invested in the currency. If you're a crypto enthusiast and investor, you might be thinking of selling your stocks before you face any more loss. Hold on to those coins for now, because we don't really know if the currency has decided to drop any further. It's important to go through the crypto price prediction chart and do your research before you finally decide to sell your coins. It is true that Bitcoin and other leading crypto coins have experienced a significant drop in share price, and this has happened after investors began dumping mining equipment as China announced some serious anti-crypto regulations. This is also because Musk's Tesla made a U-turn after accepting Bitcoin as payment for its products. And another blow was immediately dealt when China ordered Bitcoin mining in its Sichuan province to shut down completely. They also instructed their banks to stop supporting crypto transactions. I'd find this hard to believe, but China's crackdown on cryptos came just a couple of days after Musk's announcement to stop endorsing Bitcoin. Did you know that Tesla only started accepting Bitcoin as payment for its services in February 2021? And because of this, Bitcoin soared high in the beginning of 2021. Everyone thought crypto was being accepted into the big leagues and was also being endorsed by billionaires like Musk. The electric car company bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin shares and sent the market price of both the crypto and Tesla soaring high and topping all charts. But Musk withdrew his love for the crypto and highlighted the impact on the environment of Bitcoin mining. Musk gave an official statement and said that he was concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuel for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel. What could happen next for crypto owners? If you're worried about whether you should sell your coins, you should know that many experts are still confident in the crypto market and feel that this is just a temporary blip. Simon Peters, who is a cryptocurrency market analyst at an online trading platform called eToro, said that with yet another poor performing week, speculation on the short-term price direction of major crypto assets is rife, with mixed opinions on both price depending on what metric or indicators analysts are looking at. But it's also important to note that cryptocurrency has the tendency to become extremely sensitive to market changes, and the current prices could easily crash further in the next couple of months. This is why you should always make a careful investment and only put in what you can afford to lose, because the more you bet, the more money you're at risk of losing. And with that, we'll end this video. Thanks for watching.